Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Run as Administrator not working issue in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to completely load up. Give it a moment to fully boot and ensure everything is ready before proceeding. This ensures that all system services are running properly and any changes you make will be applied correctly. Once your PC is fully loaded and you're on your desktop, you'll need to adjust your user account control settings. Navigate to the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon in your taskbar. In the search bar, type Change User Account Control Settings and press Enter. This will open the User Account Control Settings window. Here, you'll see a vertical slider with different notification levels. This slider controls how Windows alerts you when programs try to make changes to your computer. Make sure to adjust this slider to at least the second level from the top, which should read Notify me only when apps try to make changes to my computer. This setting is crucial because it adds a trigger that checks admin privileges before any system changes are made, ensuring your administrator permissions are properly recognized. Once you've positioned the slider correctly, click on OK to apply these changes. You may need to confirm this action with administrator approval. Now you'll need to configure the actual administrator account settings. Open the Run console by pressing the Windows key, typing Run into the search bar and hitting Enter. Alternatively, you can press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open it directly. In the Run dialog box that appears, type netpulwiz and press Enter. This command opens the User Accounts window, which gives you access to advanced user management options. From this window, locate and select the administrator account from the list of user accounts displayed. Once selected, click on the Properties button at the bottom of the window. This will open a new window with various tabs containing account information and settings. In the Properties window, navigate to the Group Membership tab. This tab determines what level of access and privileges your account has on the system. Click on the Administrator Radio button to ensure the account has complete access and full admin privileges. This step is essential because it explicitly assigns administrator rights to the account, which resolves most issues where the Run as Administrator option isn't functioning properly. After selecting Administrator, click on Apply to save your changes, then click OK to close the window. And that's it! You've successfully fixed the Run as Administrator issue by ensuring your user account control settings are properly configured and your administrator account has the correct privileges. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.